Welcome to Curiosity Compass. Today we embark on a journey to uncover some of the most unbelievable and obscure facts that our planet holds secret. These aren't your everyday trivia. These are the kind of revelations that make you question everything you thought you knew about our world. From the depths of the deepest lakes to the heart of the most isolated caves, nature never ceases to amaze us with its endless capacity for the unusual and the unexpected. Join me as we delve into the strange, the bizarre, and the downright mind-boggling. Prepare to be astonished by nature's strangest creations, from fungi that can manipulate the very minds of their insect hosts to trees so toxic a mere touch can leave you scarred. These are more than just facts, they're glimpses into the hidden corners of our planet where the laws of nature seem to bend and twist. So, fasten your seatbelts and get ready to have your minds well and truly boggled, because the truth, as they say, is often far stranger than fiction. Let's begin, shall we? Our journey begins in the far reaches of Siberia, a land shrouded in mystery and locked in a perpetual dance with ice and snow. This vast frozen expanse is home to some of the most extreme and unforgiving conditions on Earth, where temperatures can drop to unimaginable lows and the landscape is dominated by a seemingly endless blanket of white. Here in the heart of the Arctic Circle lies a place that defies the very laws of nature, Lake Baikal. This majestic lake, often referred to as the Pearl of Siberia, is a natural wonder that has captivated scientists and explorers for centuries. This ancient body of water, a scar upon the Earth's surface carved over millennia, holds the distinction of being both the deepest and the oldest freshwater lake on our planet. With a depth of over 5,300 feet and an age of around 25 million years, Lake Baikal is a living testament to the Earth's geological history. Its depths conceal a world teeming with life, a delicate ecosystem that has evolved in isolation for eons. The lake's unique conditions have given rise to a plethora of endemic species, each one perfectly adapted to the cold, dark waters of this ancient lake. Despite the relentless grip of an Arctic winter, despite temperatures that can plummet to a bone-chilling -40 degrees Fahrenheit, parts of this lake never freeze. This phenomenon has puzzled scientists and locals alike, prompting a deeper investigation into the forces at play. How can this be, you might ask? What mysterious forces are at work that allow this body of water to resist the icy grip of winter? The answer, as with so many of nature's wonders, lies in the intricate interplay of geology, physics, and the delicate balance of life itself. Lake Baikal's unique geological features, combined with the properties of water and the presence of geothermal activity, create conditions that prevent the lake from freezing completely. At these depths, sunlight struggles to penetrate, and the weight of the water above exerts unimaginable pressure. The combination of darkness, pressure, and cold creates a unique environment that supports a diverse array of life forms. Over 1,000 species of plants and animals call this lake home, many of them found nowhere else on our planet. Among the most iconic inhabitants of Lake Baikal is the Baikal seal, the world's only exclusively freshwater seal. These playful creatures, with their soulful eyes and velvety fur, are a testament to the power of evolution to adapt to even the most unusual of environments. But the Baikal seal is just one of many extraordinary creatures that call this lake home. Giant amphipods, shrimp-like creatures that dwarf their saltwater cousins, roam the depths, while brightly colored sponges and delicate fish navigate the crystal-clear waters. Lake Baikal is a living laboratory, a testament to the power of isolation and unique environmental conditions to drive the engine of evolution. It is a treasure trove of biodiversity, a reminder that we still have so much to learn about the hidden wonders of our planet. Lake Baikal, this frozen jewel of Siberia, stands as a testament to the intricate and often fragile balance of nature. Its ability to resist freezing, a marvel of geology and physics, has allowed life to flourish in this otherwise harsh and unforgiving environment. But Lake Baikal, like so many of our planet's most precious ecosystems, faces an uncertain future. Climate change, pollution, and human activity all threaten the delicate balance that has allowed this unique lake to thrive for millennia. It is our responsibility, as stewards of this planet, to protect places like Lake Baikal, to ensure that future generations can marvel at its beauty and learn from its secrets. For in the heart of this frozen lake lies a message, a reminder that the natural world is a web of interconnected wonders, each one deserving of our respect and protection. The story of Lake Baikal is a story of resilience, of adaptation, and of the sheer tenacity of life itself. It is a story that reminds us that even in the most extreme environments, life finds a way, and that the preservation of our planet's biodiversity is essential for the health and well-being of all living things. Lake Baikal, with its unique ability to resist freezing, stands as a beacon of hope and a symbol of the incredible resilience of life on Earth. From the frozen expanse of Siberia, we journey now to the rolling hills of Romania, to a place where darkness reigns supreme and the air itself is thick with the smell of sulfur. Here, hidden beneath the surface, lies a portal to a lost world, Movile Cave. Discovered by accident in 1986, Movile Cave is a time capsule, a subterranean world that has been cut off from the surface for an astonishing 5 million years. Its depths conceal a unique ecosystem, one that has evolved in complete isolation, untouched by the passage of time and the changing world above. To enter Movile Cave is to step back in time, to enter a realm where the rules of the surface world no longer apply. The air is heavy with humidity and the stench of hydrogen sulfide, a toxic gas that would be deadly to most life forms. Yet, despite these harsh conditions, life persists. In the depths of this cave, a unique ecosystem thrives, a testament to the power of evolution to adapt to even the most extreme environments. Over 33 species of creatures found nowhere else on Earth call Movile Cave home. Spiders, centipedes, leeches, and a host of other invertebrates have adapted to this world without light. Their senses honed to navigate the darkness and find sustenance in the most unlikely of places. But what do these creatures eat in a world devoid of sunlight? A world where photosynthesis is impossible? The answer lies in a strange, foam-like bacteria that coats the cave walls. This bacteria, known as chemoautotrophs, derives energy not from sunlight, but from the chemical reactions taking place in the cave's sulfur-rich waters. The bacteria form the base of the cave's food chain, providing sustenance for a host of creatures that have adapted to this unique environment. It is a delicate and intricate ecosystem, one that has evolved over millions of years in complete isolation from the outside world. Deep within the emerald embrace of the rainforest, a macabre drama unfolds. Here amongst the teeming life, we find a fungus with a sinister secret, a master of manipulation known as Ophiocordyceps unilateralis. Our story begins with an unsuspecting ant foraging for food amongst the forest floor. Unbeknownst to the ant, a tiny spore has attached itself to its exoskeleton, an unwelcome passenger with a dark purpose. The spore, carried on the wind, is the reproductive offspring of the Ophiocordyceps fungus. Once attached to its host, it wastes no time in beginning its insidious invasion. Penetrating the ant's exoskeleton, the fungal cells begin to multiply, spreading throughout the ant's body in a microscopic takeover of unimaginable proportions. As the fungal network grows, it begins to release a cocktail of chemicals, hijacking the ant's central nervous system and seizing control of its mind and body. The ant, once a vital part of its colony, is now a mere puppet, its every move dictated by the parasitic puppet master that has taken up residence within. The fungus compels the ant to abandon its colony, embarking on a bizarre and ultimately fatal journey. Driven by an unseen force, it climbs ever upwards away from the safety of the forest floor. This ascent is crucial for the fungus's survival. It seeks a location with the optimal combination of temperature and humidity, the perfect conditions for its next gruesome act. Reaching a vantage point high above the forest floor, the ant, now a prisoner in its own body, clamps its mandibles onto a leaf's underside with a death grip. Its life force fading, the ant has fulfilled its macabre destiny, its body a mere vessel for the fungus to continue its life cycle. With the ant secured, the fungus begins to consume its internal organs, converting its flesh into energy to fuel its final gruesome transformation. A long, slender stalk erupts from the ant's head, growing upwards towards the light, a grotesque monument to the fungus's deadly conquest. The stalk, now reaching its full height, is crowned with a bulbous structure, a deadly reservoir containing countless fungal spores. These spores, released into the air, will drift on the breeze, seeking out new victims, their journey a silent but deadly threat to unsuspecting ants below. The cycle of infection, manipulation, and death will begin anew, a testament to the brutal efficiency of natural selection. This gruesome spectacle serves as a chilling reminder of the constant battle for survival that plays out in every corner of our planet, a world where life and death are forever intertwined. The Caribbean islands, a place often depicted as an idyllic paradise where the sun kisses the sea and the sand feels like silk beneath your feet. Azure waters lap at pristine beaches, fringed by gently swaying palm trees, creating a scene that seems almost too perfect to be real. But this image of paradise hides a darker secret, a sinister inhabitant that lurks amongst the beauty, waiting to ensnare the unwary. This is the Manchineel Tree, Hippomone mancinella, the holder of a rather dubious honor, the Guinness World Record for the most dangerous tree on Earth, a title it has earned through its deadly attributes. Don't be fooled by its inviting appearance, for beneath its verdant exterior lies a threat that has been the bane of many. The Manchineel Tree, with its shiny green leaves and tempting apple-like fruits, is a master of disguise, luring in the unsuspecting with its seemingly harmless facade. Every part of this botanical marvel, from its roots to its crown, is laced with a potent cocktail of toxins, making it a formidable adversary in the natural world. Even the most fleeting contact can have dire consequences, a brush with danger that leaves a lasting impression. The very sap that courses through this tree's veins is a caustic substance capable of inflicting severe burns, a liquid menace that demands respect. Merely brushing against its bark can leave you with agonizing blisters, a painful reminder of the danger lurking within, a testament to the tree's potent defenses. Even seeking shelter under its branches during a tropical downpour can be a grave mistake, for the rain, mingling with the tree's toxins, transforms into a blistering acid rain, a perilous shower that can cause severe skin reactions. And if you are tempted by the allure of its fruit, resembling small green apples, be warned, for these fruits are not the innocent treats they appear to be. These death apples, as they are aptly named, are not to be trifled with, their innocent appearance hiding a deadly secret. A single bite can unleash a wave of excruciating pain, a testament to the tree's potent defenses, a reminder that nature's beauty often conceals danger. The Manchineel's arsenal of toxins is as diverse as it is potent, a chemical warfare that ensures its survival in the wild. One of its most notable weapons is phorbol, an organic compound found in its sap, fruit, and even its leaves, a substance that can cause severe reactions upon contact. Phorbol is a powerful irritant, capable of triggering a range of reactions from mild skin irritation to severe blistering, a chemical that demands caution and respect. But the Manchineel's toxicity doesn't end there, for it harbors a cocktail of other harmful substances, each contributing to its fearsome reputation. It also harbors a cocktail of other harmful substances, including Hippomone A and B, as well as several unidentified toxins, a chemical arsenal that makes it one of the most dangerous trees in the world. This potent mix ensures that any interaction with this tree is likely to be an unpleasant one, a brush with danger that leaves a lasting impression. The severity of the reaction to the Manchineel's toxins can vary depending on the individual and the level of exposure, a variable that adds to the tree's unpredictability. Some may experience only mild skin irritation, while others may suffer severe burns, respiratory problems, or even temporary blindness, a range of symptoms that underscores the tree's danger. The Manchineel's deadly reputation has led to many of these trees being marked with warning signs, often painted with a bright red X, a visual cue to steer clear. These signs serve as a stark reminder to keep a safe distance from this botanical menace, a warning that could save your life. Despite its fearsome reputation, the Manchineel tree plays a vital role in its ecosystem, a paradox that highlights the complexity of nature. Thriving in coastal regions, it forms a crucial part of the fragile barrier against coastal erosion, a natural defense that protects the shoreline. Its extensive root system helps to stabilize the shoreline, protecting it from the relentless onslaught of the waves, a role that underscores its importance. Beyond its role as a coastal guardian, the Manchineel tree also provides shelter and sustenance to a surprising array of creatures, a testament to its ecological significance. Certain species of birds, seemingly immune to the tree's toxins, build their nests among its branches, finding safety from predators, a remarkable adaptation to a hostile environment. Even some reptiles, such as the black spiny-tailed iguana, have been observed to feed on the Manchineel's fruit, seemingly unaffected by the toxins that would prove lethal to other creatures. A fascinating example of nature's resilience. This suggests that these animals have developed remarkable adaptations to coexist with this toxic tree, a testament to the power of evolution. The Manchineel tree, then, is a stark reminder that nature's beauty often conceals danger, a duality that is both fascinating and terrifying. It is a testament to the power of adaptation and the delicate balance that exists within even the most seemingly hostile of environments, a balance that is crucial for the survival of many species. The Manchineel Tree stands as a stark symbol of the duality of nature, a reminder that beauty and danger often coexist, intricately interwoven in the tapestry of life. For centuries, this tree has held a place in local folklore, its toxic reputation woven into tales of caution and respect. Stories that have been passed down through generations. Indigenous peoples have long recognized its potency, using its sap for poison arrows and even as a form of punishment, a testament to their deep understanding of the natural world. The Manchineel serves as a potent reminder that we must tread carefully in the natural world, respecting its power and the delicate balance that sustains it, a balance that is easily disrupted. For even in the most idyllic of settings, danger may lurk hidden beneath a veneer of beauty, a reminder that we must always be vigilant. So, the next time you find yourself strolling along a pristine Caribbean beach, be sure to admire the lush vegetation from a safe distance, a precaution that could save you from a painful encounter. And if you encounter a tree with a warning sign, heed its message, for it is there to protect you from the hidden dangers that lie within. It might just save your life, a small act of caution that can make all the difference in the world. The vast, unforgiving expanse of the Siberian tundra, a land of stark beauty and extremes. This remote and desolate region, with its endless stretches of ice and snow, is both mesmerizing and intimidating. Here, beneath the endless sky, lies a mystery that has captivated scientists and fueled local legends for decades. The tundra, with its harsh climate and rugged terrain, holds secrets that are slowly being revealed. This is the Batagaika Crater, a gaping wound in the Earth's surface that grows larger with each passing year. Its sheer size and rapid expansion have made it a focal point for scientific research and environmental concern. Known to some as the doorway to the Underworld, the Batagaika Crater is a truly imposing sight. Its steep walls and deep chasms evoke a sense of awe and wonder, as well as a reminder of nature's raw power. Stretching over a kilometer in length and plunging to depths of over 100 meters, it is a stark reminder of the power of nature and the forces at play beneath our feet. The crater's dimensions are a testament to the dynamic processes shaping our planet. This colossal chasm first appeared in the 1960s, a relatively small depression in the otherwise flat tundra. Over the decades, it has grown exponentially, transforming the landscape in dramatic ways. The crater's growth has been relentless, its edges creeping outwards at an alarming rate, devouring everything in its path. Trees, soil, and even entire sections of forest have been swallowed by this ever-expanding chasm. Scientists drawn to this enigmatic phenomenon have been working tirelessly to unravel the mysteries of the Batagaika Crater. Their research aims to understand the underlying causes and broader implications of this geological marvel. What is causing this dramatic expansion? What processes are at work beneath the surface, driving the crater's relentless growth? And what can it tell us about the changing climate of our planet? The answers to these questions could have far-reaching implications for our understanding of climate change and its impacts. The key to understanding the Batagaika Crater lies in the permafrost, the layer of permanently frozen soil that underpins much of the Siberian landscape. This frozen ground holds clues to the past and warnings for the future. Permafrost, as its name suggests, has remained frozen for millennia, locking away vast amounts of organic matter within its icy grip. This ancient material is a time capsule, preserving a record of past climates and ecosystems. However, the delicate balance of the permafrost is under threat. Rising temperatures are causing this once stable ground to thaw, with potentially catastrophic consequences. As global temperatures rise, driven by human activity, the permafrost is beginning to thaw. This process is releasing long-trapped organic matter, which decomposes and releases greenhouse gases, further accelerating the warming process. The Batagaika Crater is thought to be a dramatic example of what happens when permafrost thaws on a large scale. Its rapid expansion is a visible indicator of the profound changes taking place in the Arctic. As the frozen ground thaws, the ground subsides, creating depressions that can grow into vast craters like Batagaika. This process, known as thermokarst, is reshaping the Arctic landscape. The crater's rapid expansion is a testament to the speed at which climate change is impacting the Arctic. The changes here are happening at an unprecedented rate, with far-reaching consequences. Scientists estimate that the crater is growing at a rate of 10 to 30 meters per year, a stark visual representation of the pace of environmental change. This rapid growth is a clear indicator of the accelerating impacts of climate change. The Batagaika Crater, while a stark reminder of the challenges facing our planet, also presents a unique opportunity for scientific discovery. The exposed layers of permafrost offer a rare glimpse into the Earth's climatic history. Scientists have uncovered a treasure trove of ancient fossils within the crater walls, including the remains of long-extinct animals such as mammoths, woolly rhinoceroses, and ancient horses. These discoveries offer valuable insights into the ecosystems that once thrived in this now frigid landscape. These fossils offer valuable insights into the ecosystems that once thrived in this now frigid landscape. They provide a window into a world that existed long before human civilization. The crater also provides a valuable record of past climates. By studying the layers of ice and sediment, scientists can reconstruct a detailed history of temperature and precipitation patterns. By analyzing the layers of ice and sediment, scientists can piece together a detailed history of temperature and precipitation patterns dating back thousands of years. This information is crucial for understanding how the Arctic climate has changed over time and for predicting future changes. The data gathered from the Batagaika Crater can help scientists develop more accurate climate models. The Batagaika Crater, then, is more than just a gaping hole in the ground. It is a time capsule, a window into Earth's past that offers valuable lessons for the future. The insights gained here could help us better understand and mitigate the impacts of climate change. It is a time capsule, a window into Earth's past that offers valuable lessons for the future. The Batagaika Crater stands as a stark symbol of the profound changes taking place in the Arctic. The Batagaika Crater stands as a stark symbol of the profound changes taking place in the Arctic. Its relentless expansion serves as a visible reminder of the power of climate change and the urgent need to address this global challenge. Its relentless expansion serves as a visible reminder of the power of climate change and the urgent need to address this global challenge. The thawing permafrost not only threatens to release vast amounts of greenhouse gases into the atmosphere, but it also poses significant risks to the infrastructure and livelihoods of the people living in these regions. The thawing permafrost not only threatens to release vast amounts of greenhouse gases into the atmosphere, but it also poses significant risks to the infrastructure and livelihoods of the people living in these regions. As the ground thaws and subsides, roads, buildings, and pipelines are at risk of collapse. As the ground thaws and subsides, roads, buildings, and pipelines are at risk of collapse. The Batagaika Crater, while a dramatic example, is just one of many thermokarst depressions appearing across the Arctic. The Batagaika Crater, while a dramatic example, is just one of many thermokarst depressions appearing across the Arctic. As temperatures continue to rise, these features are likely to become more common and more severe. As temperatures continue to rise, these features are likely to become more common and more severe. The future of the Batagaika Crater, like that of the Arctic itself, remains uncertain. The future of the Batagaika Crater, like that of the Arctic itself, remains uncertain. However, one thing is clear: the changes taking place in this remote corner of the world have global implications. However, one thing is clear: the changes taking place in this remote corner of the world have global implications. It is a stark reminder that we are all connected and that the choices we make today will shape the world of tomorrow. It is a stark reminder that we are all connected and that the choices we make today will shape the world of tomorrow. The Batagaika Crater stands as a powerful symbol of the urgent need to address climate change and protect our planet for future generations. From lakes that defy freezing to zombie fungi, from toxic trees to colossal craters, our journey has revealed a world far stranger and more fascinating than we could have imagined. These mind-boggling facts are a testament to the sheer diversity and wonder of the natural world. But these wonders are not merely curiosities, they are reminders of the delicate balance that sustains life on Earth and the interconnectedness of all living things. The zombie ant Fungus, for example, highlights the power of evolution and the intricate relationships between species. The Manchineel Tree, despite its toxicity, plays a crucial role in its ecosystem. And the Batagaika Crater, while a stark reminder of the challenges facing our planet, also offers a unique window into Earth's past. Which of these mind-boggling facts surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Curiosity Compass for more stories that challenge your perspective. Until next time, stay curious and never stop exploring.